Hello folks, today I just want to give you another update on my DIY koi pond. So it's been a week already, I haven't uploaded any video. It's been kind of busy with my housework around here, so but anyway, I just want to give you another update on my DIY koi pond. So as you can see, my watercress is growing now, and I just added some more vegetable right there. Water lily, again, the yellow one is growing pretty strong. The pink one is still growing slowly, and the most important thing is string algae. As you can see, I got my string algae under control. And I don't do any more treatment with the dissolved Aussie pond cleaner. Like I said, I'll wait until string algae spiking up again, then I'll do the treatment again, but otherwise it's all good now, so I don't want to do anymore. Save it for later. See, there's some there by the water iris there and here. I'll leave those there because that's where those baby fish hiding. I've noticed a lot of eggs around those areas when I put up some of them. Other than that, the water is still clear, as you can see, all the way to the bottom. Down to this deep end. There. And let me show you my 3-barrel filter system. Still running pretty well. Alright, barrel number 3, moving bed. You can see, still moving very nicely. You notice that I just I moved this one back into the middle as the original. When I originally did it, it was in the middle. This way, I don't have a lot of dead spots built up by the media. As you can see there, everything is moving freely. That's just something that I thought you may want to know. Yeah, keep the drain pipe in the middle, in the center, and of course the intake is pointing up from underneath too. So, and the Airstone, of course, Still running on this pump. Very nice and quiet. Yeah, it's been running a little bit warm because look at the water temperature in the pond, 22 degrees. So it's running a bit warm, but it's been running 24/7 since April or May, I believe. So that's the moving bed. Static bed. I just cleaned on a weekend. Today is Thursday. I did it on Sunday, last Sunday. So it's still clean, still good. Spare number one, same thing. All right. UV light still running on the original bulb. Well, that's my 3-barrel filtration system. All right, in terms of beneficial bacteria, I stopped using the pure pond balls that I initially did. This year, I started using this Aquascape beneficial bacteria concentrate from Amazon because this is more accessible than the pure pond balls, and it's cheaper. And it works. As you can see at the beginning of the season, I used this. I haven't used this one for the last few weeks already. Supposed to use weekly, but so far so good. So I just saved some for maybe toward the end of the season. I may add more, but right now I don't use it anymore. But you can see the water is still clear, and the water quality, as you can see from my previous video, when Run came over and do the water testing, water quality is still good. So again, Aquascape beneficial bacteria concentrate. If you want to use this, or you can go ahead with pure ball, pond ball if you like. All right, I finally got my apple tree cut down and replaced with this fire pit. Yeah, the apple tree was dead already, so cut it down and put in a fire pit instead. Still got some branches over here. I'll do some barbecue later on. Into that fire pit there. Also, as you can see, I just came back from Home Depot. I got this gutter guard zip tie. I bought it before, and a pair of scissors. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do now. Well, as you saw in my previous video, I got some baby fish, and unfortunately I lost some already when they went into the skimmer and got stuck. So, but as you can see now, there's still some in here, 3 of them in here, swimming around there. I don't know, you can see. I don't know, I take them out every time, but they went back in. Where are they now? There. Wait, yeah. 2, 3. Alright, I'm gonna scoop them up and maybe you can see better. Where are you? They're quick too, but I don't know how they got inside here. Alright, let's try to get them out. Where are you? It's hard to see with the light reflection too. Yeah, so 1. Okay, came out by itself. That's 1. Any more? Huh. Okay. I think they got out by themselves. Over there. Anyway, so I'm gonna be using this one. There's a screen for the skimmer entry. Is the hole a bit smaller than the current one. Oh. So I'm gonna cut one piece, put in the front there, zip tie it, so that would prevent any baby fish going back into my skimmer and get sucked in. I'm sure this one will get clogged up quicker because of the debris and the string algae. So I will have to keep an eye on that before it gets clogged up and there'll be no more water in here, and then my pump get dried out. So I'll put the camera down. I'm gonna do that, and I'll get back to you. All right, guys. So I got that new screen installed. So you can see there, it's thicker than the old one. So hopefully that will keep those baby fish away from the skimmer, because I don't want to see any more casualties in here. All right, so I'm gonna do my deep basket cleaning later by the end of the day. And yeah, I need to clean that Airstone too. The bubbler is going slow right now. So in fact, I'm gonna put it up and clean it now. All right, I'll be using this handy dandy grabber to pull up that Airstone to clean it. Let's see how far I can reach. Maybe just grab the hose and put it back in. There. Guess I should turn it off first. Let's bring it up. Up. Down. There. I got it. Look at that, how dirty that is. All right, I'm gonna undo the hose. First of all, I'm gonna turn it off first, undo the hose, and take this one away to rinse it off, brush it off, and I'll be back. All right, guys, just finished cleaning this Airstone. It's ready to go back down now. So, let me put on my grabber. Grab it. Ooh. Okay. Set it back down. Somewhere there. All right. Get airflow. There's something. Airstone is over a year old now, so I probably need a new one eventually. Maybe next year. the end of the year. Yeah, I need a good fun one for the winter. So, but for now, should be good for now. So as you can see, no more string algae around the waterfalls. At the foot of the waterfall, nothing on that side, nothing over here either. All good. Got some of my baby fish getting bigger now too, but they're so quick. So I couldn't get a chance to show you guys. They were inside the skimmer, but then they ran away quickly before I could show you. Alright guys, that's it for another update. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.